Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Jesse Reyes and I would like to share my content with you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. One off. Peace.
So I'll be teaching you how to edit your pictures using frequency separation in Photoshop. To get started, ensure your image is already placed in Photoshop like this. That's it. Make sure it's already placed. Then you duplicate the layer twice using Ctrl J, or you can drag it to the plus sign below. Then you rename. I will rename mine texture and skin for clarity. Next, you group the layers after renaming like this. So this is what you're working on, the grouped one. Then you hide texture, because now we are going to work on the skin. You blur the second duplicated layer, 2.5. So this is why I'm using 2.5. Let me show you. I'm using 2.5 radius because of how low the image is. Says it is 82 KB, 0.1 KB, so it is very low. Yet when you are done, then you open the texture. Now go to image, apply image, and set the layer to skin. To skin. Change the blending mode to subtract, scale 2 and offset 128. Make sure it is accurate. Your opacity 100. Yes, like this. Now click OK. For the texture layer, set the blending mode to linear lights. The texture layer is ideal for removing blemishes, while the skin layer is for softening. So we are going to clear the blemishes. So the blemishes are the pimples, dark spots. Now, after clearing the blemishes on the texture layer, we are going to work on the skin by selecting the areas we want to work on. So you want to smoothen the face, you select the parts you want to. This is the place. This part we are selecting is where the effect is only going to take place. After selecting, make sure you feather. Right click and feather. I like using 11. You can use 22 depending on the choice. Then Gaussian blur, and see, the more I increase Gaussian blur, the more you see so until you get to your taste. So this is what I think I'm okay with this. Select again. Make sure you don't select the face once, because it's going to be, we are not working on the eyes, you're not working on the lips, you're not working on the teeth. So it's just the necessary parts that you're working on. So that's the place you're going to select one after the other, so you don't look it doesn't look somehow. You can see how it's becoming. Select, feather, then Gaussian blur, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, decrease to your taste. I think I'm seeing some blemishes. Let me just do this side, then I'll. Why you're not seeing the blur stuff is because of I'm using the shortcuts. Let me remove the blemishes. Yeah. Yeah, so back to the skin. Select the feather, Shemblo. Select feather. So I don't like touching the nose. So just so it's your choice. Just see, it's very easy. You duplicate your name, you group, then you blur the skin, and you apply image on the texture, and then you change the texture to linear lights. Then you work on the blemishes. That's if you want to work on the blemishes. And then you work on the skin. You can see before and after, before and after, before and after, before and after. You can see. So I will just probably try to make this part. So that's okay. You can just play around with it. Just know the basic steps and play around with it. Remember, texture is for removing blemishes like spots, pimples, and the skin is for softening. So you see. So I think I'll just enhance the picture after this, before and after. So yeah, enhance the picture to make it brighter, because we are still working on the skin. So anything you are doing on the skin brightening, contrast, anything that has to do with the skin that is not pimples, spots, you get.
If you enjoyed the video you just watched, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.